Morning. So as you'll see, I've got a bit of a surprise coming up today. So from the thumbnail, yes, we have got the Claas in, and Neville has been making us some lovely round bales. So I unfortunately broke the drone, so the drone has not gone up. I managed to break one of the arms. I'll get it repaired. Maybe we'll have that up for our next video. Kind of a shame, but oh well, we'll get some GoPro footage. Hope you enjoy the video, guys, and I will talk to you at the end of the video. Alright guys, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. So we've got lovely Neville here with his Claas and his baler, making these round bales for us. Oh, it's quite tiring following around. So as I say in the start of the video, I did break my drone. My mistake, didn't mean to. I dropped it in a panic. I was so excited for getting this footage, I went and destroyed it. I'll get repaired and then we'll be back in action with the drone later on in the year, I think. So while he's doing his bales, we're loading up some of the square bales on the Ford with the hay trailer on the back end.
For it. You two girls have to move out of the way.
So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Really fun watching the Claas going around making these bales and wrapping them. Really interesting experience. Shame, it is actually unfortunate that it's had to go to that though, because obviously that means that our baler is broken. Kind of disappointing, but we either fix it, sell it, get another one, who knows. We'll not in a rush obviously, because now we don't need it for another year, so we'll see what goes on with that. So thanks for watching guys, hope you've enjoyed the video today. Please hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell, join our journey, come watch all of our videos, see how we're getting on here, or how far we have got. I didn't think we'd get this far, I didn't think we'd have all this equipment, and I thought we'd only be still with the Renault. Obviously we've got the Ford, we're doing the Massey. Yeah, alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in our next video. Take care.